What are you guys making?
My scarecrow. And I'm tired of putting it stuck in the head.
Well, don't get on Bubba's head.
Okay, eat a scarecrow.
Huh?
Eat a scarecrow.
Push it in.
All right.
Is it Hardy?
Quit playing.
Huh? No,
You need to work. Come on, get to work.
I'm getting hay chop.
He's hay chopping.
That's straw.
He's straw chopping. You're doing a great job, Papa. I love that hat. Here's the other half of his body over here. Woo!
Didi,
Papa.
straw chopping is hard.
Huh?
This straw chopping is hard.
I know it
I
is.
think you got it. Let's see what we got.
We're going to go put a cowboy hat on him when we get home.
Well, and I put some gloves on it.
Huh?
I would put some gloves on it. And then put some boots on it.
Oh, yeah. Maybe some boots.